As I pointed out during these hearings, why Americans should be so concerned about who the next Associate Justice of the Supreme Court will be, because the decisions of the Supreme Court affect your life. If you work, if you're a woman, if you vote, if you care about the air we breathe or the water you drink, if you're a consumer, you need to be concerned about the Supreme Court of the United States. The Constitution protects us from the abuses of power, whether those powers are generated by government or powerful special interests. The Supreme Court was designed to be the protector of our constitutional rights. We, the people of the United States, we, the people, in order to form a more perfect union, establish justice, ensure domestic tranquility, provide for the common defense, promote the general welfare, and secure the blessings of liberty to ourselves and our posterity, do ordain and establish this Constitution of the United States of America. The authors of the Constitution understood the timeless idea that justice was paramount. After questioning Solicitor General Kagan and listening to her testimony for a week, I am convinced that she has a clear understanding of how profound an impact her future decisions may have on the lives of everyday Americans. Based on the hearing and the conversations I've had with her, I am confident that she will put the interests of the American people and justice for the American people first, above popular opinion or politics. As Solicitor General Kagan said in her opening statement to the committee, equal justice under the law means that everyone who comes before the court, regardless of wealth or power or station, receives the same process and protection. What it promises nothing less than a fair shake for every American. Mr. President, during the confirmation hearings, I asked Solicitor General Kagan about civil rights, campaign financing, and our environment. I used those three areas to demonstrate how important the decisions of the Supreme Court can be in the lives of everyday Americans. And my concern about recent Supreme Court decisions where an activist court, by the narrowest of margins, usually a 5-4 decision, reversed precedent, legislated from the bench, ruled on the side of big businesses, I am confident that Elena Kagan will follow legal precedent. She will respect the rights of the Congress of the United States to legislate. She will protect your rights against the abuses of power, whether it's from the government or from powerful corporate special interest. She will respect the rights of the people of this nation that the Constitution so well was designed to deal with. And lastly, Mr. President, let me say that she's well qualified to serve on the Supreme Court of the United States. The Dean at Harvard Law School, Solicitor General of the United States, commonly referred to as the 10th Justice because of how closely she's worked with the Supreme Court, the bipartisan support that she has received from those who know her best, former Solicitor Generals of the United States, appointed by both Democrats and Republicans, support her nomination to be the next Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States. And Mr. President, when we confirm her appointment, she will be the three women to serve on the Supreme Court of the United States, the first time in the history of America, a proud moment for this body to confirm her nominations. Next Tuesday, Mr. President, I will vote to confirm Elena Kagan to be the next Associate Justice of the Supreme Court of the United States. And I look forward to when each member of the United States Senate will have an opportunity to vote on her confirmation. And I hope it'll be an overwhelming confirmation for her to serve the American people on the Supreme Court of the United States.